channel. Today I'm doing a simple like summer look. It's just what I'm doing every day, and it's just really natural for summer because in summer you don't really want to feel like you have a ton of products on your face. If you guys want to find out how I do that, or you just like how this looks and you want to recreate it, then keep watching. I'm starting out with this Hourglass primer because it feels really natural on your skin. Like some primers feel really heavy. I really like products that feel really light on your skin, like you're almost not wearing anything. Next, I'm going in with this MAC Studio Finish Concealer. I'm sorry if the lighting keeps changing. I don't have a very good camera. I just bought a random one last summer, I think, because I wanted to start doing YouTube. I'm just going in on all my like blemishes to try to cover them up a little bit more. The lighting keeps changing, so I'm really sorry. I keep looking over there because that's where the mirror is, but... Alright, next I'm going in with this Chanel bronzer, and I'm just using this Tarte Kabuki brush because, great. I'm not really that into contouring just because I literally don't know how, and it looks like I have like a bunch of mud on my face. So I just kind of use this and I tap my brush in there, and then I just kind of bronze around the areas that you would contour, but I don't like actually contour. Just add like a nice bronzy look to my face. Alright people, that was way too much bronzer, but gotta even it out on this side now. By the way, I really like this Chanel bronzer because it's like a cream, so it really blends in nicely and it gives you more of a natural finish than what a powder would do. Next, I'm going in with this Benefit Cha-Cha Tint blush and lip tint. I'm just using it on my cheeks. Put it on your hand and then dip in with your fingers and just like blend it in. Also, this stains like a lot, so I'm gonna have that blotch on my hand for like the entire day. You can try to wash it off. It is very hard. Using makeup remover doesn't work that well. It's like gonna look like I went to Sephora. Now I'm going in with this What's Up highlighter. Honestly, I got this a long time ago. I'm pretty sure they changed the packaging since. I'm doing the same thing. I'm putting this on the back of my hand. This one's not as bad if you do it that way, like put it on your skin and blend it out, but I don't know. I just like having control of where the product goes. Really hope this lighting is okay. I'm sorry if it sucks. I'm gonna come back to that when I do my eyes in a sec, but for now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm using the Kat Von D Super Brow. I'm just filling them in really lightly. I'm not using a ton of product because I don't want my eyebrows to look not natural, you know? Then I'm just taking this Anastasia brow definer. Now I've really been getting into eyebrow products, so I'm not using it as much, but I like using the spoolie side just so I can run it through my eyebrows, make them look a little bit more natural. Now I'm going in with this Tartelette palette. I don't know why, I just really like it. I'm using the color Smarty Pants just because it's really natural for your eyes. I don't really like doing a lot unless I'm going somewhere extravagant. I'm going in with the color Funny Girl now, right under my eyebrow. This is where I was gonna say use the What's Up, like this, use this on your inner corner in there, but this works just as good. And it's just more convenient because it's right there. Eyelash curler. I always curl my eyelashes just because they look very, I don't know how to explain it. They just don't curl up. Also, very important tip, do not curl your eyelashes after you've put mascara on. I know people do it all the time, but that is how you rip your eyelashes out. Well, my mom's coworker's daughter put on mascara, used one of the eyelash curlers. It was fucking sticky, like because of the mascara, and she pulled out her eyelashes. I'm going in with this Urban Decay Cools and Plumps. I didn't know that. I've actually never read this before. I honestly got this forever ago. It came with the Urban Decay Naked 2 palette. Or maybe the first one. I don't know. I did want a little bit more blush, but usually I say that every day and then I wish that I didn't put more on, so I'm not going to do that today. But I am going to take this Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. So yeah, I don't know if it works. I like to pretend that it works, but it just feels nice, so that's why I use it. Yeah, it's just really simple, natural, and easy for summer. You don't really have to put a lot of effort into it. I like to because it's fun for me to just get ready. I don't know why. But if you make your morning routine like fun for yourself, then you're gonna want to do it, right? Like if you hate makeup, then don't wear makeup every day, like, right? I hope you guys like this video. I tried really hard to make it good. I don't know, this is my first video ever. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!